don't know if I'm missing something, or if this is just a new game being buggy, but I'm having a lot of trouble getting my Vixies to graze at my ranch. They'll do it sometimes, but other times they just wander around the base like the ranch doesn't exist. When it's working, I can pick them up and assign them to the ranch, but they'll also just go there on their own, and when it's not working, the game throws the no work available message when I try to assign them.
In the vibrant world of gaming, Palworld has captured the hearts of many with its unique blend of creature companions and strategic gameplay. However, a perplexing issue seems to be haunting players: Palworld Ranch is not working as expected. This anomaly has left players scratching their heads as they navigate the intricacies of managing their virtual heavens. Whether it's a glitch in the livestock management system or an unforeseen error in the ranch mechanics, players are grappling with unexplained disruptions to their Palworld experience. The gaming community has become a hub of speculation and shared experiences as players seek solutions to this ranch-related conundrum. Some report issues with feeding and caring for their virtual companions, while others find themselves unable to expand or customize their ranches as intended. The Palworld development team has been swift to address players' concerns, urging users to check for updates and providing guidance on potential workarounds. The community forums are buzzing with discussions on possible fixes and collaborative troubleshooting efforts. As Palworld enthusiasts eagerly await a comprehensive solution, one thing is certain: the dedication and passion of the gaming community will prevail. Over to you, Ryan.
Thanks, AB. In Palworld, optimizing your ranch and managing pals efficiently is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. To streamline pals tasks, consider the following tips. Single task pals. Utilize the force assignments feature by picking up a pal and throwing them at an area like a berry plot or fridge. Ensure the pal has the corresponding trait for the assigned task. This can be a helpful workaround, especially after sleeping. Food queue for Flambell. Maintain a constant food queue, directing the Flambell pal to it. Confirm that Flambell has the cooking icon or crafting hands. Specialized water pals. Assign water pals with only the water can to berry plots. Strategic pal selection. Opt for pals like the bee and little Egyptian cat for your ranch, as they bring valuable resources such as honey and gold. Specialized plot pals. Assign specific pals like Gumos for planting and Serpent for watering. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance the functionality of your Palworld Ranch, maximizing productivity and resource gathering while creating a more seamless and enjoyable gaming experience. In the ever-evolving landscape of virtual worlds, challenges like these only serve to strengthen the bonds that unite players in their shared pursuit of immersive gaming experiences. Stay tuned for updates as Palworld's developers and players join forces to unravel the mystery behind the malfunctioning ranches. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.